Mint Mobile relies on Wi-Fi calling to provide service where cellular signal is weak. This voice over IP service routes calls through a Wi-Fi network instead of cellular towers. If Wi-Fi calling isn't working, the problem often lies with your router. Routers must support SIP and have sufficient bandwidth for voice calls. Issues are common with older routers or in rural areas. Another common issue is with E911 setup. This enhanced 911 service requires accurate location data to route emergency calls through Wi-Fi networks. IMS registration problems can also occur. IMS, or IP Multimedia Subsystem, handles the signaling for VoIP calls and may fail due to network congestion or router configuration issues. Wi-Fi calling is a voice over IP service that routes calls through Wi-Fi networks instead of cellular towers, using protocols like SIP for call setup and media transmission. This network diagram shows how devices connect to the internet through routers, allowing Wi-Fi calling to work when cellular signals are unavailable. Recent updates to the Mint Mobile app, version 8.2.1, and T-Mobile's network infrastructure have significantly improved Wi-Fi calling reliability. The average uptime is now about 98% for active users as of Q3 2025. Let's troubleshoot Mint Mobile Wi-Fi calling issues. Start by checking your router settings. First, check your router. Update firmware for Mint Mobile support, enable UPnP for port forwarding on 5060, 5061, and disable IPv6 if needed. Next, ensure location services are enabled for E911 functionality. Disable any VPNs masking your IP. If you see IMS not registered, verify APN settings are fast.tmobile.com and restart your device and router. For persistent problems, contact Mint Mobile support. They fix 85% of issues within 24 hours, with router fixes making up 45%. Ensure latency is below 150 milliseconds.